Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mindu. In this video we will see what is store procedures and how to retrieve data using store procedures from the database. So let's create a store procedures. Open your SQL Server. I'm using SQL Server Management Express, so I'll show you how to create a store procedures in the backend. Let's go to our database and you see a Mendo database here. Just click on the plus. You see a tables. We got a table like ID, first name, last name, and to create a store procedure for our Mendo database like Mendo table, let's go to our programmability. You just click on plus button. You see a store procedures here. When you click on plus, you won't see any store procedures default. You need to create that, so just right click on your store procedure folder and you see a new store procedures. Click on new store procedures and you see a default code here. Don't worry about this. So you see a create procedure here. You just delete this part and name it as like Mendo store procedures, and you see a parameters. You just delete this. You need to add parameters. What I'm planning is, if I give ID, I need to retrieve first name and last name, so we need to take ID. See, when you want you just see the data type. You need to be careful with the data type. Whatever the name, you can take any name, but you need to take the same data type, whatever the data type is on your table. Okay, again you insert statement for procedure, so you need to select first name. See the capsules of your table. Okay, last name from Mendo. Where ID equal to parameter of ID. We just give this @ID in the front end, so let's execute it, and command successfully completed. When you just refresh your store procedures now, I just refreshed. You just check your store procedure. You see a database of Mendo SP store procedures. The parameters are ID. We need ID, so we just took ID. Let's go and create a new project here in our Visual Studio. So click OK. Windows application. What I need is 3 text boxes. One text box to enter the ID, and these two are to display the first name and last name, and I need a button control. Okay, so when I click on button, you see a button event occur. As we need SQL namespace like data.sql client, SQL client. Okay, so using that SQL, we just write some class name like connection, con equal to new SQL connection, and we need to have connection string. Let's go to view and you see server explorer. Our database name is Mendo. Just right click and you see properties. The connection string, you just copy that and close your server explorer, and you just copy your string here. And we need SQL data reader and SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Before that, we just open our connection here, and in this we need to write our database store procedure name and our connection. Our store procedure name is, let's copy, paste it here, we need to add dbo also. Okay, so we need we got the command, and command type is store procedure equal to command type dot store procedures, and we need to give parameters. We got one parameter now, so I'm just adding with value whatever the entered I in text box. I need to retrieve, I need to send to the backend. So text box 1 dot text. Okay, so let's use data reader command dot execute reader, and it's dr dot read. It moves to the next next property like dr dot read. It moves to the next point. Let's display to the text box dot text equal to dr of 0 dot to string. Okay, just copy this and put 3 and 1 here, and we need to close the connection. Okay, so I'm ready with the part, so let's run and see how it works now. Okay, we don't have any errors here. Let me enter like 505 and click button here. You see Vijay Kumar. When I click on 501, it's my name, manual window. See this, it retrieving from the database here. Whenever when I enter 505, it takes Vijay Kumar, and when I 515, it's taken from. Okay, that's what the store procedures does. It retrieves data from our front end. So it's open. We are connecting the connection, and we took data reader to read the values, connecting to the store procedure, and store procedure does it uses this command to select first name, last name, and it sends the front end. It's very security, and it's very efficient to use store procedure rather than using normal SQL commands. Okay, that's it for this class video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.